Hello, I'm Stuart from AbilityNet, and in this video series we are going to discuss how we set up Skype for your Windows PC or laptop. Downloading and installing Skype. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to visit the Microsoft Skype website in order to download our installation file. And this can be done by using an internet browser, any one you can use, a browser of your choice. And this browser that you can see here is Microsoft Edge, which is a browser built into Windows 10. So using any one of your browsers, what we need to do is we need to insert into the address bar where you enter your web address or websites that you want to visit. We need to enter the Microsoft Skype website, which is www.skype.com, and click enter. So depending on the speed of your internet connection, this may take a short moment, and this button is the one we want to click, which helps us download Skype application. So this screen here, we have another button, and this one automatically detects which operating system we're using. So as I'm using Microsoft Edge, it will give me an option if I want to run, save or cancel the file. If I click run, the installation file will automatically open upon its download successfully. And this differs slightly from using Microsoft Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, and we'll discuss what happens with that. So once you finish downloading, the file will automatically open and it is ready to install. So just coming back to the point I made about Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox being slightly different when we click the Get Skype for Windows button and try to download it. On the left here in this window, this is Google Chrome, and it will only give you an option to save the file to a location on your PC or laptop, and also Mozilla Firefox as well will only give you an option to save the file or cancel, like you can see in both windows here. Mozilla Firefox being the example on the right hand side. So what I would suggest, and what I do as a personal preference, is download the Skype installation file to my desktop, and it will be easy for me to locate the file after it's downloaded. And once the file has downloaded, we want to double click the file, and this will run the file, as it won't be run automatically after it's finished downloading. So once we've downloaded the application to our desktop, we are looking for this icon. Now, depending on the version of Skype, which might change upon this video being released, then we are looking for an application that looks like the Skype icon inside a box. So what we do is we double click this icon, and then we should get the installation file opening. So installation is a fairly automatic process. All we need to do is we need to click on the install button on the program once it opens, and then it will automatically start installing the files necessary for the Skype application. And once it completes, it will automatically open the Skype application for us to start the next step of signing in or creating an account.